Your transmission is one of the most expensive parts of your car, and it almost never fails overnight. It usually gives warning signs first. Ignore them, and a small problem can turn into a repair bill worth thousands of dollars. Here are 10 signs your transmission is failing, and the number one warning means you should stop delaying repairs. 10. Delayed gear engagement. You shift into drive or reverse, but the car takes a few seconds before moving. That's often an early sign that the transmission isn't working properly. 9. Hard or jerky gear changes. If your car suddenly jerks or bangs when changing gears, worn components, low fluid, or internal transmission problems could be the cause. 8. Slipping gears. You're accelerating normally, but the engine revs up while the car doesn't gain speed as expected. This is one of the clearest signs of transmission trouble. 7. Transmission warning light. Modern vehicles monitor the transmission electronically. If this warning light appears, don't ignore it. It can help catch a problem before it becomes a major failure. 6. Burning smell. Overheated or worn. Transmission fluid often gives off a burnt smell. Without proper lubrication and cooling, internal parts can wear out quickly. 5. Transmission fluid leak. If you notice red or pink fluid under your parked car, the transmission could be leaking. Driving with low transmission fluid can cause severe internal damage. 4. Strange noises. Whining, humming, clunking, or grinding sounds while driving or shifting gears may indicate worn bearings, gears, or other internal transmission components. 3. Poor acceleration. If the engine sounds normal but the car struggles to accelerate, the transmission may not be transferring power efficiently to the wheels. 2. Shaking or vibrating while driving. If the car vibrates or shudders during gear changes or while accelerating, the transmission may not be operating smoothly and should be inspected. And number 1, the car won't move. The engine starts normally, but the vehicle refuses to move in drive or reverse. This often indicates a serious transmission failure that requires immediate professional attention. Your transmission gives warning signs for a reason. Catch the problem early, and you could save thousands in repair costs, while avoiding a breakdown at the worst possible moment.